Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how you could convert any file to any file format you want using a very simple website called Cloud Convert. So let's get straight to the point. So open up your web browser, and I'm going to leave this link in the description down below as always. And as you can see, this is how the website looks. So if we look here, this is the area that we're going to use the most. So as you can see, I'm going to explain this very quickly. So this is the drop-down menu that essentially allows you to put the original file format of the file. So for example, a video that I want is MP4 and I want to convert that video to, for example, MP3, for example. There are look at the amount of file formats you can choose here. So if I want to convert a presentation or maybe a font or a document or audio or even an archive, like for example WinRAR or 7-zip or something like that, I could do that right here. So now I've selected the original file format and the file format I want to convert it to. You click on select file. I'm going to select a random file, I don't know, from my directory or from my Windows Explorer. So say I want this video right here. I want to click on open, and then it's going to give you this sort of section right here. The section will appear. So it gives you the name of the file. And then there's a little wrench right here. If you click on it, you kind of modify it. So this is when, for example, once it's done converting, you could tell it exactly when it's going to start the conversion. So I want only, like, for example, the first minute of the video. I want the audio to start in the first minute and then end in, like, for example, minute 2, for example, right here. So this is how long the video will be, 1 minute long. You could change it, of course, and this is the bit rate. This is the channels. So if you want it to be mono or you want it to be stereo audio. I usually do not, modify this stuff, but if you want to, you could go ahead. Click on OK, and yep, it tells you right here again, convert to, and then you choose the exact file format you want. Keep in mind that when you select the first original file format, the options will shrink down. Alright, so once you're done with all that, you could click on convert, and you give it a few seconds here. So now once it's done converting, it's going to give you this little window right here, and then it's going to give you, for example, if you convert it to audio, it's going to give you this little audio player right here, and you could play it if you want to. So then once you're done, you could click on download, and it's going to appear right here. And if you're not satisfied with this file, you could just click on X and add another file, or you could just click on the drop down little button right here, and it's going to give you reach RAI. So that's all there is to it, guys. So this is just a very basic example of the MP4 to MP3. I don't have a lot of files, but whatever. Let's say, for example, I want an MP4 and I want to turn it to a GIF or GIF or whatever you like to call it. I don't know. I don't want any problems here. So I'm just going to click on add more files. I'm going to choose the file that I want. Alright, there we go. This is the file. Now, as you can see, it just tells you convert to GIF. And the wrench, the exact wrench, this one has some different ones. So because this is a video, you could choose, for example, the watermark if you want to. I'm not going to do that, though. And that's all there is to it, guys. So just click on convert, and it's going to convert it for you. It's the exact same thing, and you could do this to other files, zip files. There's a lot of other ones, like, for example, PowerPoint, the PPTX file, and so much more. Alright, so as you can see, the file has been indeed converted to GIF. So we are just going to click on download here. There it is. So we click on open, and as you can see, the video has been turned into a GIF. There we go. Now, of course, that's not the optimal video to convert to a GIF, but it's just a little bit of a demonstration, not much going on. So this is the ultimate converting website. It can convert to any, file you want. And there are, like I said, if you just click on the drop-down menu alone, look at the amount of files it can convert to. Audio, you got documents, ebooks, fonts, images, presentations, spreadsheets, and video. So this is absolutely amazing. And by the way, it's completely for free, just to let you know. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you.